Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you build your own NAS with TrueNAS SCALE. So you need to follow the steps to do it. So the first thing in the TrueNAS SCALE installation procedure involves flashing the operating system's iOS file onto the USB drive. First thing, you have to make sure to navigate to the TrueNAS website and download the latest iOS file from the TrueNAS SCALE. Then you just need to download the exe file and then from the official website and use it to install the tool on your PC. Once it is installed, then you need to click on the flash files and pick the TrueNAS SCALE iOS file you grabbed earlier. On the next field, you need to go ahead and select target and choose a USB drive you're planning to use as a bootable drive. Then click on the select one button. Now that you've successfully flashed the USB drive, you'll want to switch the BIOS option in your DIY NAS to use said driver as a boot device. Now first thing, you need to connect your bootable drive and a keyboard to your NAS before powering it on. Mash the delete key as a NAS boot up. Enter the boot settings and make sure the USB drive appears as boot options. You could go ahead and enable the SVM mode. And once you've actually done it, so save the changes that you've made. Once your NAS restart, you'll be greeted with the TrueNAS SCALE console setup wizard. Select install and upgrade on the main TrueNAS home screen. Moving on, you'll be taken to this field. Use your spacebar to select the boot drive for TrueNAS. When TrueNAS SCALE, now choose administrative user as a web UI authentication method. And click on the OK button. Now then, you'll have to enter the password for the admin user. So tap create swap. So click on create swap, and then after the setup is complete, hit reboot system and unblock the bootable drive from the NAS, and you've successfully made it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.